Okay, everybody, this is part 2. This is a follow-up to the unboxing of the Adidas Marvel crossover ZX2K about the Stark Industries shoes here. And like I said, we try to get some charge on these sneakers, and I was able to go up and shine a light on this so we could see the effect of these shoes when we turn the lights off. But once again, thank you for kicking in the second half, Kish YZ. If you are watching this video just for the shoes, please give us a like and give us a subscribe. For every subscription that we have at the end of this month, the month of April, with it being Limb Loss Awareness Month, we are donating $1 towards the Limbs for Life organization. If you would like to donate yourself, you can donate at limbsforlife.org. Yeah, once again, give us a like and a subscribe, please. But here we go. Let's get the effect of these shoes that glow in the dark. We're going to see some real Stark tech here. This is going to be awesome. Sorry, I'm about to go dark. And let's see if we can get this. And that sucks because these are actually glowing in the dark. But we can't really see the effect of this without me turning something on. Okay. Let's try this again. Let's try turning the TV on or something so you could see some of the glow. So sorry, it does glow in the dark, but my camera's not picking up any of the light because it's not that bright. But here is everything that would normally glow in the dark. So this is fluorescent, so don't pay attention to this. And this boost here is fluorescent. So it would most likely be all of these lines here that are the yellow, and definitely the bottom here. The orange here and the silver is reflective, and the yellow in the back of the heel is reflective. And like I said, this boost tech here. So yeah, even if this isn't glow in the dark for you, and let's say you're wearing this outside, I don't know why you'd be in the middle of the night coming from the movies, but let's say you watched, well, I guess you could be. Let's say you went to a movie premiere and you were wearing these for a Marvel movie, and you came out and you're walking in the parking lot, just walking down the street, and somebody, you know, obviously is driving along the street. These things will be a great reflector. So they serve a purpose at night as well as during the day. So like I said, some of this is just pure reflection, but it does glow in the dark on top of that, so you will get some of these colors that pop out maybe in the middle of the movie theater if you're sitting down and the lights go dim for the premiere of the movie. That would be pretty awesome. So let me go ahead and turn this light back on. You've seen most of this effect. Like I said, if I turn the TV off, you're not going to see anything, so sorry about the darkness there, but yeah. So I just wanted to try to show you all that effect. Once again, it didn't work the way I thought it was going to work, but it does glow in the dark. So trust me on that. And if you don't believe me, pick up a pair. I got these straight off the Adidas website. I know they still had tons of sizes in this particular colorway and another colorway. The white colorway, I think, didn't have as many sizes. They didn't have my size because I was leaning towards the white ones at first, but I'm kind of glad I got this colorway. So yeah, once again, thanks for kicking in the second half, Kish YZ. Catch us on our YouTube if you're just watching the shoe video. If you're interested in basketball podcasts, because that's primarily what we talk about. We do debates and we do PPFs, which are player breakdowns, along with some other creative ideas we're doing as far as displaying information about NBA talk. So yeah, thank you for tuning in. And yeah, once again, give us a thumbs up and a like. And subscribe to our page so we can help donate to the Limbs for Life Foundation during this month of April. I will be donating on May 1st. Once again, this is Kicking in the Second Half. Peace and love.